My name is Kyle Easter and welcome to the Jump 15 channel where I teach you how to jump rope and get in shape so you can enjoy life at your maximum potential. So you want to get in better shape, but you're finding it impossible to find a workout routine that you actually enjoy. You're sick and tired of the same old boring options that make you dread the workout before you even begin. I was the same way. Then 10 years ago, I rediscovered the jump rope, a tool we have all seen a million times but haven't touched since we were a kid. Whether from fear of looking like a fool or believing that we just don't have what it takes to use it anymore, we abandoned it. And that's why I've created this channel. I want you to be able to learn how to jump rope and have the best experience possible. I don't want you to flounder around thinking that you gotta recreate the wheel, using trial and error that sucks up time and causing more frustration. I did all that. So that's why I've created tutorials to help you learn how to jump rope, building the solid foundation with proper form and technique that's gonna help you progress faster. Subscribe to the channel so you don't miss new videos every week, and if you're ready to get started, check out these videos right here, and I'll see you on the inside.